In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in MetaTrader 5. If you're new to MetaTrader 5, or even if you've been using it for a while, understanding how to control the zoom level on your charts is really important. Zooming out gives you a wider view of price history, helps you spot larger trends, and makes it easier to see where the market is coming from before you make a trading decision. Let's get started. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that a chart is visible on your screen. It can be any symbol or time frame. The zoom controls work the same way for all of them. Now, take a look at the toolbar that sits above your chart. Among the different icons up there, you'll see a small magnifying glass symbol. There are usually two versions of this icon, one with a plus sign inside it and one with a minus sign inside it. The magnifying glass with the plus sign is used to zoom in, and the magnifying glass with the minus sign is used to zoom out. To zoom out, move your mouse to the magnifying glass icon that has the minus sign inside it. Hover over it for a moment if you're unsure. Many platforms will show a small tooltip that confirms you're on the zoom out button. Once you've found it, simply click on it once. You should see your chart adjust immediately, showing a wider range of price data. If you want to zoom out even further, you can keep clicking the same minus magnifying glass button multiple times. Each click will gradually compress the candles or bars on your chart, allowing you to see more history in one view. This is especially useful when you're trying to identify long-term support and resistance levels, or analyze the overall trend across many days, weeks, or even months. Be aware that there is a limit to how far you can zoom out. When you reach that limit, clicking the minus magnifying glass again will no longer change the chart. At that point, you're already seeing the widest possible view for the data that's currently loaded. If at any time you feel the chart looks too compressed or too small, you can always reverse the process by using the magnifying glass with the plus sign to zoom back in and see more detail. And that's all there is to it. By clicking the minus sign inside the magnifying glass icon above your chart, you can quickly and easily zoom out in MetaTrader 5 and get a better